Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be teaching one of the elbow strike techniques I taught in the previous video to a student who hasn't trained for about 8 or 9 years and only trained for about 2 years at a time. So basically a beginner again. Let's see how she gets on. She hasn't done this technique before and she hasn't done much Wing Chun for a long time, so she's going to be learning as she goes as well. So any mistakes, I'll try to correct them, but they're the mistakes that you might make as well. All right. So as I attack on the side, do nothing for a second. I'm going here. I want you to relate to my movement. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to move this foot forwards. Here, exactly. Now put your hands up just like this and move that foot forwards. So we've got some sort of shield. All right. Good. Now this hand's going to do much a similar thing to what it's doing already. This hand is going to go straight to my jaw. And what I want you to do is move my jaw, move my spine, okay? Really want to control the spine. Good. Now to make this hand not have to take as much stress, you're going to just move it down slightly and grab my arm, okay? There you go. Now by grabbing the arm, grab the arm, push my hand. These two parts have to go away from each other, right? It means that it's harder for me to pull this arm back and put it into play. My spine's been compromised, so I can't really use my legs to attack her. This arm is a little bit of a factor, but she can feel and respond to that action. And if she feels movement here in its infancy, what she's gonna do, stay there, jolt me forwards. The whole structure moves, okay? So when you feel me trying to do anything here, do that. There you go. And it makes it much more difficult for me to begin an action. If the action's begun already, she has to do something else. Simple. So we do that again. You're going to relate to my movement, put your hands up. Okay. There you go. This is terrible, right? Because you're too far down my wrist. That means you've reached for my arm. Okay. Remember the basic that we had, right? There we go. Yeah? All you need to do is cover your body. You don't need to reach for where I am. All right, cover where you are. There you go. Good. Extend this a bit more. Fantastic. Pull this a little bit. Yeah. So now there's a spring load here that she's created where I'm trying to return to neutral. Because of that spring load, what I want her to do, stay there for a second, is she's going to move this foot out to the side. Move this foot out to the side. And then this foot is going to step straight through. That's it. Go back and straight through again. And back. Now when you come through, you're going to do this elbow action under my jaw. Step through, elbow, and back. Step through, elbow, and back. So side step, through an elbow, back. Side step, through an elbow, and back. Can you remember all that? Yeah. Let's do it slowly. Okay. 1, side step, through, elbow. Okay, once again, you're going to relate to my movement, but instead of moving this foot forwards in a triangular fashion, or circular, half circle fashion, you're going to move this one back in a half circle fashion. So your footwork will be like this. Okay. All right? Yeah. Ready? There you go. Oh. But as soon as you see some action, you cover what you believe I'm going to. Okay. All right? Go. There you go. Yeah. See? The structure's terrible, but the hands are okay because you're standing too tall. Okay. That's better. Yeah? Now what? There we go. So now we've got that back movement, we've got a side step, and we're coming through. Again.
What's wrong with it?
What did I tell you? How did I describe grabbing my wrist last time?
I can't remember, but I know it's not meant to be.
I think I said it was either crap or rubbish. One of them.
But now I'm on that.
The attack is not an add-on. It's part of the defense. They work together. Turn your body. Make contact. Lower the arm. Better.
So the lower ring I was missing before.
Yes. There we go. Now what? Very good. Happy?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's see if it actually works. I'm going to put headgear on her and I'm going to go for her and try and hit her in the head. And if she can do it well, then it's working. If not, it's back to the drawing board. Okay, so we've got our protective gear on now. She's got her headgear on because she's going to be going for my jaw a little bit. I'm just going to put a gum shield in to protect my teeth. We're not going crazy, but there should be some psychological component to this training. And if she knows that I'm going to be hitting her, then she's going to do the technique well, or she's going to learn how to do it well and what's needed.